Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is 5 chili chicken wings. Not 5 chili chicken wings, but 5 chili chicken wings.
Well, that sounds the same to me. What if they want more than 5 chicken wings?
No, you can have as many chicken wings as you want. It's just got 5 different sorts of chili in it.
You're kidding me, right? 5 different sorts of chilies?
It's not going to be that hot. It's more mellow and sweet.
5 different sorts of chilies? Not too hot? What colour's the sky on your planet?
Don't take any notice of her, folks. This is the woman who thinks vanilla ice cream is too spicy. I mean, to be fair, this recipe has got a bit of a kick on it, but it's not as bad as all that. And just for the record, those 5 different chilies are gochujang Korean chili paste, sriracha chili sauce, Kashmiri chili powder, Thai sweet chili sauce, and good old-fashioned fresh green chilies. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. Let's get on with the cooking. The first thing you do is prepare the chicken wings. To do this, put the flour in a suitable sized plastic bag, add the Kashmiri chili powder and the baking soda, salt and pepper to taste, then add the chicken wings and vigorously shake the bag, so all the chicken wings get coated in the mixture. You could of course remove the tips from the chicken wings and divide into flats and rounds if you prefer, but we prefer our chicken wings all in one piece, and you can't beat a crispy tip. Anyway, when the chicken's nicely coated in the flour mixture, shake off the excess, put in a suitably sized oven-proof tray and off to 150 degrees C oven for 15 minutes. Then when the 15 minutes is up, turn the temperature up to 200 and leave it in for a further 30 to 45 minutes. And you should have something that looks like this. The next thing you do is heat a tablespoonful of oil in a suitably sized frying pan. When it's nice and hot, add the gochujang chili paste, the sriracha, Thai sweet chili sauce, and the mirin or honey, whatever one you're using. Allow it to bubble away for 30 seconds, then it's in with the fresh green chilies and the chicken wings. Then toss the chicken wings in the mixture till it's all nicely coated. And there you have it, 5 chili chicken wings. Just for the record, I thought these wings were really tasty with just the right amount of heat. My wife, on the other hand, after trying one of these wings, spent the next hour running round the house, puffing and panting and fanning her mouth like a dragon who just had an enormous tax bill. We do hope you give this recipe a try sometime. Feel free to subscribe, share and like as normal, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.